And this is Bluff Fort. They're open. And it's cooperative, free admission. And the star stopped and made it. Took a look. Here's a little memorial to the honor of the men, women, and children of San Juan Mission. And there are names, plenty of names engraved in the granite. I guess each set is a family, which would make sense. You can freeze it, pause it, and read. If you're from Utah originally, you might actually recognize some of the names. I don't know. Take a walk around here. First the San Juan group. Huh. Yeah, it's a little place here in Bluff Utah. But it's an amazing little place. These people, oh, my hat is totally off to them because they were amazing with what they did and how they survived. Apparently this is old John Taylor here. How you doing, John? Probably better than most. Kind of hard for me to do. The sun coming down. This guy, he wore many shirts and a couple different hats too. Huh. This place also has these little boxes. If you push it.
John Taylor, the Hole in the Rock Monument. John Taylor was the Mormon president and prophet that called these pioneers to settle the southwest corner of Utah. He knew of the difficulties the Indians were having trying to eke out an existence on the government-mandated reservations.
Now this is the ultimate boondocking wagon. Oh, goodness gracious. These people definitely had a rough time. This is Bluff Fort in Bluff, Utah. And there are a lot of stuff. That building there is the only original building to the place. The rest of the buildings you'll see in the video were brought in by ancestors of people that actually lived here in the fort. So let's take a look at the original boondocking wagon. Oh, this might be breezy. I don't know if you can hear me as well, but there's the kitchen. Up. Looks like Mom needs to do a little seasoning on that cast iron there. Laundry day. Woohoo! And then we have a cauldron. What was cooked in there? Many meals, I'm betting. Horse harness. More staples. One thing I don't see. Now I might have missed it. There's a trap. Some hand tools there, but I don't see an axe, which would have been one of their main staples there. So kind of crazy. Let me show you the inside of this. Is Henry. Back up just a little bit there. Henry and Sarah Ann Robinson Holyoke wagon encampment display. Interesting. I don't know. Let me see if I can get you look at one inside of these cabins. This is how they lived back then. Cooking fireplace, bed. Plain and simple, to tell you the truth. They didn't need a lot. Frederick Jones. Huh. Alright, well. We'll get back to some more. And take a walk. I guess that was an outhouse. It looks more like an electrical house now. A little well, and I guess that was a washing area. The way it's set up. Huh. Gold nugget bags. One bag each, please. Well, let's see what we got in here. Oh, somebody got all the bags. Pump. This must be a little attraction where you can come and do a little gold panning. Yep, there's some pans there and some water. Teepee. Beautiful water well. Huh. Well, this is pretty cool, actually. Let's see. I'm no gold panner, but you slosh this around. What you do is the gold is supposed to settle to the bottom. I'm betting there's probably no gold in here, but how we doing? Now we're the crap. Oh, gonna go home broke tonight. Wow, that's just pretty cool. Well, I'm glad you were able to see all this. This is history. All right. It's a typical Ute teepee. You know, people at the time, with the stuff they had at hand, they made some very healthy dwellings. Let's see, a stove, a lantern, Might be a question on that one. Well, that's at the end of the tour. We can get cookies. So. And I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I'll probably do voiceover anyway. But this is Bluff, Utah. Beautiful. Beautiful place. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to give us a subscribe. Give us a like, subscribe, all the goodies. Thank you much. This is the meeting house where they got together.